All right, the beginning of the fish fry. Start with some bacon in a skillet, preferably. Ooh, everybody loves bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? Only moosies and commies don't like bacon. Everybody else? All right, so the next step is, while you're cooking that bacon, we had these here bluegills. We had them just chilling in some saltwater bath for like since yesterday. And gonna go ahead and cook these puppies in that bacon grease. So the tutorial will follow after this. So the next step is use that bacon grease from that bacon you just cooked up to fry your panfish in, and we'll cook it. We'll cook it on one side, flip it once, cook that other side, then we'll pull these puppies out, rescue these little puppies, and we will grub, and it's gonna be some beautiful white meat. All right, so these puppies are almost done. Take that with your white rice that you're cooking and eat like a southern Chinaman. No Wuhan flu. Yeehaw! All right, I was told by the good old boys out here that you fry up one of these bluegills or these crappies and their tail ends up like a potato chip. We're gonna test a 30 or we're gonna get snookered. I don't know which one. Daddy went first. I can confirm it's like a freaking potato chip, I swear to God. Alright, this is how you gotta wrap it up, Arkansas style. Chinese buoy with the fish. Keeps you safe from the corona. Look, somebody already nabbed half a fish because they was hungry. But that's basically the fish fry. You gotta do it with rice and bacon. I think if you do fish, rice, and bacon, I honestly don't think you can lose. You can put some lemon on this. Lemon. Don't put lime on it. Lemon is the business. Lime is for corona. Lemon is for fish. But other than that, this is an Arkansas/702 fish fry. How Pops showed me growing up. We always did the trout wrapped in bacon and lemon juice and tinfoil. So this is just like a hybrid off of that. So bluegill, bacon, thick stuff. You got to get the thick stuff. And that just white old rice. And this can be the jamboree right here. Peace.